So idea of luxury to me are different things. For me, luxury is a space which is calm, cool, inviting. I'm Shahnawaz Barucha from Shahnawaz Interiors. Today we are talking about Lux Casa. And if you want more details about this house, please look into Buildofy in their PDF formats or in their chapter format. The project location is in Sadashiv Nagar, Bangalore. And the site is roughly 10,000 square feet with a build-up of 18,000 square feet. So basically starting from the basement, which is not a basement, it's a car park. You come up to the ground level. That's primarily for their living. According to the typology of the layout and the Vastu, it had to have its main door at the northeast level, and opposite the main door they wanted the puja. From the main door we've created a kind of a carpet which is in a little bit of a yellow and a gold touch, so that it kind of gives it the feeling of entering into a puja. It's fully inlaid with stitches. And then as you enter, we've used the similar very light tones of the yellows and the golds. There is a beautiful inlay of a gold carpet which we've put out over here. So here we've used pure white marble to give it a serenity. We've used a lot of glass. If you see even above this on top, we've not kept anything so that nobody walks on top of the puja room. And then we've got the living. We had Kunal Manyar to do our landscaping, and since there is a skylight and if you see the black granite, Kunal has very nicely created these grooves where when you are sitting in the living room, you get the feel of the water trickling non-stop all the time, and somehow again it gives you a kind of a zen feel. We've got the informal living, we've got the dining, we've got an open kitchen concept. There is a powder toilet, and there is one room which is for the grandmother who visits them off and on. After the house was getting ready, we came across this pichwai, which was really a 200-year-old antique. So here we are at our staircase, which is actually one of the highlights in this house because we've used panda stone, which is from top to bottom, from the basement all the way to 4 floors. You have it running seamlessly, taking the veins. If you see at any given space, it hasn't gone off. This is probably one of the best travertinos that we've got. We've used it on the walls. It just gives it a very subtle finesse, but it's going to be lifelong. You don't have to do any cleaning or anything. It just blends with the whole thing. So the first floor primarily has only the master bedroom. The clients did not want anything dark, so we've used a palette which is a cream and a grey palette. We've used a little bit of the burl veneer because it comes from outside from all the general doors, which is a natural veneer, very rare to get. As we walk into the dressing room, you will see that the veneer that we've used is a burl, but a burl which is very limited edition where you won't always get the same bark. If you ask me, it's one of the most favorite bathrooms that I've done. We've used lapis lazuli with white. We've got Orvi online to do our design for us in the same lapis lazuli with a tinge of gold to complement the fittings. And along with that, it has this home theater. It has a spa. It has a state-of-the-art jacuzzi. This mother of pearl jali, I just felt I wanted to give some kind of an intricacy, craftsmanship, to be shown, just not white marble. So we created this kind of mother of pearl. This work has been done by Ram Kabadi. To tie this up, we've also got our carpenters in-house to do a wooden frame which reflects the whole bathroom at one go from any side. And we've given a distress finish in the white frame. So, everything looks monochromatic, but yet it has all different textures of white in different formats. So everything was at one level, and then the children and everybody gather in the informal space, which also leads out to a beautiful balcony overlooking the garden. So the second floor is the children's floor. There is a daughter's room, which is again like a suite. So the textured wallpaper is something that when we were looking for wallpapers, we came across, and she really loved it. After that wallpaper, we kind of did the color scheme of the room, matching it with the carpet and the bed back. She has her own dressing room and a bathroom. And this kind of Amazonite, I myself had not seen it earlier anywhere. This kind of green, which is a natural material, is very difficult to find. So we teamed it up with the Lali crystal for the knobs in the bathroom. And there is the son's room, which is again above the master bedroom on the first floor. Same size as the master bedroom. So from the family living, we go out to the L balcony. Now we come to the third floor, which is only entertainment. The family feels that, when the kids come with their friends, they don't have to get into the rest of the house. They can come straight from the basement right on top. So this was our focal on that. Whatever you see over here, it didn't come in a form of a format or a tile. It came as separate pieces that go again into the wall. So this is our entertainment space. We have retractable ceilings over here. So if you want light, which is always lit up this place, you can open and enjoy the natural weather of the city, which Bangalore is noted for. We've also got the bar, which is inside. The panels that you see over there are, I think, brilliant. Obviously, I've used limestone, which is my selection of material, because I wanted it all to be in a beige palette and very soft and going with the rest of the white in the house. All the loose furniture was done by Good Lines. That's our in-house. We make bespoke furniture and customize it to the finish that we want, that ties up with the rest of the room in our planning and stage. It has been a great experience. We had great clients. We had great artisans. We had the luxury of doing what we wanted and how we wanted with our aesthetics. And I think we are very lucky to be able to use the kind of materials that we used in the way we wanted to use it.